Hello and welcome to this video about the difference between full frame and crop sensor cameras. First, let's define what we mean by full frame and crop sensor. Full frame cameras have a sensor that is the same size as a 35mm film frame, which is approximately 36mm by 24mm. Crop sensor cameras have a smaller sensor, which means the image is cropped in comparison to a full frame camera. So, what are the differences in practice? Full frame cameras tend to produce higher quality images with better low light performance and shallower depth of field. This is because the larger sensor allows for more light to be captured and gives a wider field of view. Crop sensor cameras, on the other hand, have a smaller field of view, which means that images appear more zoomed in. They are generally more affordable and lighter than full frame cameras, making them a popular choice for amateur photographers and videographers. In summary, full frame cameras offer higher quality images and better low light performance, while crop sensor cameras are more affordable and lightweight. It ultimately comes down to personal preference and intended use.